This is Aeolian Hall's Gamelan orchestra set up here. It's really quite astonishing. Beautiful thing. We've been entrusted to maintain its usage and make sure it's safe and shared with the community occasionally. So that's what's happening here tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Should be a whole lot of fun. All the things happening. Drums. We've got little, that one doesn't sound very good with a knuckle, but these bells over here sound amazing with a knuckle. Lovely, lovely. Let's see what happens when we actually use a mallet on this. Nice. And then these ones are much larger. These ones probably make a bit deeper noise. Nice, a bit clangy though. And then these ones here would be much more high pitched. Let's just see what this sounds like. Very cool. Lovely, lovely. And then the big, oh, I guess these guys probably sound a lot like bigger versions of the other guys. Ah, lovely. Oh my goodness. And then the big ones back here. Oh my goodness. Gotta get back here and check this out. Through, that's a bit of a climb to get past here. Wow. Neat, 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 neat. What about this guy? Oh my goodness, deep, deep, deep. Oh, that was worth it just on that. I'm not sure what note that was, but it was very, very deep. About this guy here. I don't know what note that would be, but that's definitely more in the normal range. That other one's hyper deep. Amazing. Lovely stuff. And back out here. There you go. I don't know if I'll get a chance to come in and see it tomorrow, but that was pure pleasure just checking it out. Bye, everybody.